Yes, my people. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. Now, know why I played that song? Obowe Yakiri. Obosa. Emi Yakiri. Jenosage did a video. Normal, his usual talk. Albert this, 40 million, 50 million, 30 million, 800,000, to 200,000, he talk even I don't not pay me. He won't go talk, he say if Albert talk saying a big boy, say my parents still dey upper. Say my parents still dey upper. Say why no, say why I don't even carry the come for upper. Go put it for why not carry the come for upper. Carry them come and ask for Amagba. For in mind now talk in the talk. For in mind, you want to talk with you, go pay me. Hey, let me tell you something. Nothing when anybody fit talk. That's why they've not been able to bury me on social media. That's why they've not been able to defeat me. That's why anybody will carry fight, come out, follow her. They say, Albert is fighting with everybody. Yes, it's everybody, if everybody fight, you're like everybody want the people don't really do me to say more round that bar up, more round that up. The little strength when you get, you fight back. The one where you have free, then if all of them not gonna get power, now they watch film where crowd like they go round the at up. More way, after go give them this one, after go beat all of them. So that's how me be. Now maybe the actor of social media, actor. The rest na clicks. They just try clicks. Me na actor. If you carry quarrel come, I go give you quarrel. I believe in do me, I do you. You do me, I do you. You insult me, I insult you back. You respect me, I respect you. You patronize me, I patronize you. You encourage me, I encourage you. So if you believe that, hey, about him, you have your body, you have a moral balance, social media can value you are listen. You know why my own they pay for body? Because I don't do what you do. That is why. Now why they pay for body? One of the biggest achievements why I don't achieve for social media, not to frustrate the Onosage. Not to frustrate the fraudulent business. A business me igbe. See, everybody feel forgive me, oh. Everybody feel play with me. One person will feel ever forgive me for his life. Now John, Igbegbe, Ekia yo waroga adoni. Memakwe yo kwegbe. Ekia yo wake my back. Help me make a help person. Put money for my account, make I give person. Do it like this. I cannot do it alone. I look and say, Jobo Jawala. Ikbata easy guy. It took me almost 1 year. I used almost 1 year to follow up with the guy. That's why people like the Collins, Mudia, I don't want to give the British space. Before they will come grow, you come they proud. When Osage started his fraudulent business, he was very humble. Later, that's for why his money finish on. That's for why his money finish on. The guy can't begin his BA. I don't care. I don't care. You are even supposed to be happy that you are watching me. You are even supposed to be happy that you are sending me money. I don't care. You are not helping me. You are helping people. Became very, very arrogant. That's why he did Europe tour. As he come from Europe tour, okay, hey, Gala, yeah, in a soy. In a soy, quoi. In a moi, Guinée. Oh, me wa fan. In a yeli boy, I want to get a limo ya mo all the here. Oh boy VB. Oh Bewe. They cry. They cry. Abatobaze. He relocate to Lagos. You go do the business for Lagos. Foundation, you cannot foundation anywhere. Did you even register the foundation in Nigeria? Not be abroad, you say you register the foundation. You operate outside Edo State. But as far as Abatobaze is concerned, hey, let me tell you something. Fraudulent foundation no will ever get head for this state. In that way, you just say they give me 40 million. They give me 50 million. They give me 100 million. They give me 10 million. Make I give people for diaspora. My brother. Oh, where? Oh, time. Somebody called me and told me about your video. I get people watching a video. I can't stand and watch rascals like you. 1 hour, 44 minutes, 2 hours. What are you? What are you? What are you? So anybody here come and say, Albert, I get what they watch you now. So person what you beg who see when they give me gist, even Benny Yak when they point to your talk. They eat okay. Which minute for talk? They say watch from 20 minutes to so minutes. Okay, that's any Yak Ben. Even I'm too busy. People want to do that video for you, I'm past 50. So they when I go just stumble, I say, on a way video. Hello, boy. A social media work way. That's why my friends are very few. I have respect for everybody, for people doing video. But the ones that they misbehave, people like them, this animal with their journey like a monkey face. That one an animal. I can't stand myself watching somebody like monkey face. There are some other people like that. So Facebook don't make it easy that the one people where head not correct to, the ones where their head correct to, please share this video. In case of Dion never knows I want to talk about him, please share this video and invite him. So I don't today watch now because I don't have time. One of my platforms, I have 7 platforms so that they use when I tell they do social media. One of them is 231,000 followers. So with a scout, with a work to get materials for now. So I don't have that time. Besides, data is not cheap in Nigeria. I buy data, just my phone, almost 20k every 2 weeks for my phone, my 3 phones. My 3 phones, my office, my boys. Sometimes we spend over 250,000 monthly on internet. So that's why I'm looking for people in diaspora, 1 or 2 like minds. I don't want Tifo. I know one will come and call me tomorrow, say, the women, please, if you know you can assist us, if you are good in blog, you are good in internet, reach out to us. Because here, how they meet me badly. How they meet me, because my page is not monetized. This page, I'm not making money from it yet. So we are still investing. That's why if you try to spoil my name, I will come for you. If you talk what I not do, you are in Nigeria, I go put you for prison. Because why prepare for one because the internet is cheap. Why when you hear you wow me when I on I first tell me if you talk with you and not to say because you get Facebook to run your mouth, I don't get to place you. So before you talk anything against Abatobaze, make sure so you get proof. So I get all your ranting. Like when my parents they upper. I'm can't wait. My parents are very happy with me. I your boyenia. Sabo have your boy. It's okay. Area na beg area oh yeah. What day? What day dia? Oh ibo have what day mana? For now, yet he said yara. I know if you go create foundation like you now, they're going to carry mad people, video them. Just to collect money from diaspora. I know if you go market now, go look for poor people video. Oh, people are gonna say, yo, yo, I see Nigeria, emotional blackmail. I want to tell you chop money. You blackmail people emotionally. You people know that many diaspora people, they get sympathy for our people. Now, say many people for diaspora, they get good hearts. God has blessed them in diaspora. They are looking for every opportunity to reach out, to reach out, to give back to the society that raised them. So now one of they blackmail them emotionally. Person will never do good before. Person will not get good name. Person will get very, very, very notorious character. But you will say in a humanitarian, say in a foundation. You don't profile most of these people. They just wake up and say they be foundation. You just see, bring a cat, put money, Q. A bag of onions is now 60,000 naira in a dough. A bag of onions. Who are always say, a bag of onion, bag of rice is 40,000. Oh my, December 45 or 50,000. All your papa brothers for street already suffer. You don't even know where they're there. Why Utiya? It is you Utiya. Even your own friends when you leave before you come from Nigeria, you don't reach out to them. Facebook don't make things cheap that rascals can just wake up and do nonsense. Bring accounts. Bring accounts. See, they are teaming up now. They are teaming up. I heard that they did the one Zoom meeting yesterday. Most of these diaspora people like get where they fight me. The only reason why I not too fall out to stainless. I don't big pass this person. No. You insult me, let me be one maybe 2 years old picking. If you know what they the reason why I not to take stainless matter serious is because again the man was a whole year reference. Yeah, tia shomole shomole nyau. What's your quick? Oh, nobody can destroy shomole. Stainless already key. So it's still possible where Emani Kekome, the government or Emani Kekome, the PDP party my year, Emani like it, or ya miss it from me where you had to go many days here. Is that ta or Margie in a block every WhatsApp. After some time, now blocking, you know you do block him, now come my very before this palliative matter just happen. I don't want my opportunity. But the reason, even when people they call me say, bro, what do we do? Even when you when I have information go, the man will load up and I don't need. Because she walked. So Osagie, you be Zeyamu boy. And I know that can we win and Zeyamu now win. Una gwali go no arrow the diaspora. Una ye and Zeyamu yare go with diaspora. Which Zeyamu no. You come out, you say you donate 1 million naira to Zeyamu campaign. You know people will give you the money. When I have here lekute we view WhatsApp we miego. How go day you go they live on people's sympathy. Person know where you can't come office, you go use and take collect money, who have a big percentage. Anyone not go Dion, I beg, I pay 100,000 for your account, beg, give that woman 70. May you take 30. Ah, mama, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I say 100,000. Oh, you're ready, Akba. Oh, you're fear. Takbarapa. So, Osagie, that's all the parts where you don't do. No, my man, I don't have to do screenshots or recording. But if you say me, I'll go dig our chats in the last 2 years. No party where you don't do, you never invite me. I know they attend. The last time, even my friend Cambodia Lord, after he come, I say, they all go say, why not connect? No. I don't fake friendship. I don't fake smiles. I don't pretend. I tend to say, as far John is still using his foundation to scam our people in diaspora, both of us cannot do anything. So I'm going to hold it wrong, go your party. And I'll let a party where, because it cannot happen, and I'm your knee. Ah, the apple, hey, this is the apple of a brigadier. On a party where 3 times you don't do party. I know they attend. Even the one where Ero attend, you invited me. I know they attend. Because I know they fake. Man, so I don't know if you fake anything. People have been calling me yesterday and say they want to settle me out. Me and I said, settle what? What do you want to settle? Maybe it's not guy issue. Who settle? I'm not interested in any settlement. Who settle? Who settle? There's a platform you have benefited from a platform. So I won't say I've not benefited from supporting Obaseki. I've not said yet it time. I've benefited, my people have benefited. I have influenced a lot. So you got make an ammo in Iria. Even now let me Baba Tiatayo, we've not tired. It take me years to build that confidence. It take me years. That governor will speak for crowd, will call my name. I know they lie put. People they lie for their own. Me know they lie, everybody know. Not be one day. Oyibo will suffer before pleasure. You suffer before pleasure. During 2016 election, I walked throughout the campaign. I never know say governor know me. Because people were also lying to him about me. After election, he called me and was like, thank you. It's a wale. Any attack, it's a wale. No, I don't tell you that I did. There are some proxy accounts here. When I go create another proxy account, may they give them the work. Oh, where the proxy account? When I comment now, may I kick to the heart when I go create another one. So the man tell me, we met we are little for no man like a moment mune. Iga moment mune. Igbe. So this last election, many people will be not there with us, they join us. After election, now why we not few? Why not go away and the governor here? Few. Why not go? Any flow. Why not go? Because during that campaign, people will call. Abba, where do you want me to come in? I want to print a scarf. I want to do this one. I'll say, preacher. I'll say, no. I love you, preacher. I want to send you the money. Or you send down. That period, everybody busy, joy day. After election now, why? Yeah, you worry. Hama mieson, I'm you wa. Hey, yes, see one here. Hama mieson, I'm you wa. Hama mieson, I'm you wa. Gumeze, yes, swear. Oh, hama mieson, I'm you wa. Hama mieson. I'm you wa. You know the everly the rosy. Not be every time it is sweet. During the campaign, it was sweet. During the campaign, it was sweet. Because normally the party PDP they get campaign force. Like a winner. Donation they come, people they support. It does the diaspora, they throw in serious money into a dome matters. Also, they donated to us, donated to people like Osakologodi. They spread. Many people for social media here. You want to work for every time, man. He went, no, go ahead. It's all of us. It's doing well. It's all of us. It's doing well. It's not a agbe local. It's not a local. We are very vessel. We are agbe local. Even yeah, but may we win. So after election, I don't expect you to keep quiet. when EPN, they are still walking around the clock to bring down this government. That's my grievances. Anybody will tell you, say, now because in a CFO is blackmail, only emotional blackmail, Natana. Only a pity game, now pity, man, now pity. I don't want to be pitied. They ever see soldier for inside Sambisa Forest, they pre-made Boko Haram pity, a soldier. I'm a soldier. Igor Beva, I don't serve two masters, one at a time. When I'm with you, I am with you. So, Sakuno, Diono Saige, you are more than can I be. You always talk about comfort zone, comfort zone. Dion, you cannot do 6 months in America. You'll be stranded. Because you're already used to free money. You're already used to blackmailing people for money. You can't. You're already used to high life, travel, jaye, today London, next tomorrow Canada, next one America, Tire. Go no Mahwan. Make I see how you want to go they work now for America. And listen to one of your videos. You say you don't do 4 weeks now for America. You are irresponsible. Very irresponsible. You've done 4 weeks in America. Your wife is in Canada. Family man. You are irresponsible. When you America was so high in Canada. You are very, very irresponsible. You are very, very irresponsible. Yet you ever more ya gewe, but la go and face your family. Live ego emi ya. Ego no wakwana and wayo bovu we gwalona. Men wo here o. That wo here like the life man. Go and sit with your family, with your wife. Ya total ko hawe. Wa we mi odo me yege. Na we me na we do lele we be powder. Go face your life. Stop this nonsense. Stop deceiving people. And you put the what did that's why I get more than beer. Get more than tia. Only people that suffer now for streets. In one of my videos when I was talking about CFO, I remember telling people, I said, if you have a relative that can go to their office, you only in a relative way. Ultima, I will tell them what to do. And I must work for it. I engage yeah busy. Hello, Tony, engage them, make them busy. Make them busy. Let me know. As I process your phone at the beginning here, that was swear. And yes, I always see your phone name, I always survey, we building plans. Help people they do things. If I need someone know that where Rudian now video. How? This place is wide. So my people, all these people who you wanna see, make them use sense. For straight 4 years now, many of them follow me. I have been consistent. If I tell me the give money make I give by chop on. Hey, keep your silly mouth short. If now money is my problem, I was offered over 60 million naira and a property in Dubai, a ticket to Dubai. I want already the ticket. I was supposed to meet somebody in Dubai. We go buy it. After that, I will not give them a budget of where I need to work for EPN. Somebody called me one day. He said, he's a big woman of the town now. And I'm wait, just me. I'll give you $10K. Before the meeting, let me just give you $10,000 first. He said, before I will give you $10K cash before you go meet with Oshomole. I be a do billionaire. I mean, loyalist of a team, and if you give them listening here, they go talk to you and say a result in their morning. Why you come to say about all Damegbe? When I go on a mouth, no home, or Damegbe, or Damegbe. I don't understand, though. I don't understand. I wrote something on social media. I said, I am not for sale. Not everybody has a price tag. When you go with diaspora, let me tell you something. This way the person. There was a time one lady called to chat me up. Then they might marry. And I we're chatting. We're very close. I believe she will watch this video. This one here. First in Nigeria, we're very close. Even near tag me, I was here. In a go with me so we do. Can I want me? Ijena Fibeleku. Ijena Fibeleku. Ijena Fibeleku. I told the mother, I know mother was seeing a family war, but only I send war. It was hell, Ijena Fibeleku now one. A matter of ye, I didn't tell the lady, they are more Ungeria. Imagine no Yahoo through the other guy, no river, my way transaction. So she came, she now told me, he said, "But you are a nice person." I said, "How?" He said, "Look at what my mother did. You refuse to tell me." I said, "I don't say one way or the other. You must hear. Because they are river. On the brand new song, on the Goumet. On the Goumet, on the what did they buy so phone for me? Was I told us like 3 years ago? Or really? Or not here only my way some level. Or the green light may maybe red light. Or the green light may maybe red light there. Oh, me no na. Igbebe kon water. Yes again, like more fee. Et dit on a bon fi les fie mieki on a dit gris là tu veux dire red there if no we say become married bon I believe say a girl ni maybe I also want to use a process yaro na we egbeme wina because I believe. Alors, if you follow that gouvernement, you don't have to do it. Okay. Oh, the mawe mwegbe okay, the phone, man. Then in my hangout, I spent I spent over 100K. But he bana go euro but no, they go imu wala dia. I go euro boy the next day I change relax. So he trouble the next way I be the best for you. Where you did now? Yeah, drive come and deck me come collect the phone. Book you are on my man. It's all man. Hey, how on now? You can't be cheap. You can't be cheap. Build a name, build a reputation. You can't be cheap. I am consistent. Well, it will only take some time. I must say, about it now. I already track me. After some time, I don't have a roll. Consistency is not cheap. It's not cheap. Tamuwana. To be consistent. It's not cheap. So, Osage, why you not soon a cape POI? As we speak today in Edo State, if you get anybody where is there you get respect for, it's about Obaze. If you get anybody who will show more get respect for, They hate me, or they don't like me because they feel that me I join people make them lose election. I contributed to them losing that election. But deep down in them, they don't say Obaseki get person. Yeah, anyway, His Excellency Governor Obaseki Omoma, he has a political son called Abat. Maybe one of these days, and maybe after some time, after the tribunal case, I have a gist. May I tell governor, where a boy near Batini, a cool or mono. Before they come begin to use federal SARS, they chase me up and down for Benin. It will have a BMT with naming ceremony because federal SARS in a Humere. Our family go ne, man, yena, okay, gal press. Here is as smart as a man moon. Oh God! I petition the Abuja. What risk you take when you come they run your mouth? We create space for you to come in. You want to come now, you want to spoil my name. What the boy can also say, but what have you? What my Billy what here? Spoil my name. So my people, if you believe in about Obaze, you don't say I don't do one or two so you don't like. Don't be in a hurry to listen to all these people. You go say about. My biggest prayer now make I feel get that access to the carry people they meet governor, not for the money, for that relationship. The first time when I snapped into Shomole, the sitting governor, I know the way I felt. Wow. Me and the #1 citizen. Wow. I was happy. I put my family, everybody celebrating. I have me a governor not there. Mama comes to get level. That's why if I like somebody and the person is supporting us, I go try to see how the person go take meet governor. So that make in mind, which can make you know say yes. Who they work for Noah, that relationship, that common. I am very accessible. As people will know me for grand. I am very accessible. Unless I'm busy, I am very accessible. So if you feel if you betray to me, will I say, hey, the level now, Larry, anywhere yo. We are here so more this also place also time. That's why when I attack not temporary. No if you do me anything else. It come on why. Let's do the right thing. During the election, people supported me. I didn't make it open. We have support our war. I didn't make it open. But immediately after the election, everything I made Biramane. I didn't need to retain them. Maybe even here we bed over I want to do better. Feed my sharp pillars. Here the WhatsApp group. Yes, I have Kungore, who back out. But no. If you say you like a bat, you want to give away gifts, you call. Ino awa. Oba ima enera kino ye royalty na yabai. Don't ask. So Dion, I sympathize with you. A fraudulent company where all day he color, he's a color on a way. Our financial already work besha Ijime farm base we take come me. Or take the time na color. He color. He is a color salogwa. A man have a farm base in a consistency. In a color. I is a way financial all one day jagara. Hello, why you get me? I was sad a lot. If you're joking, if you're joking, why you get me more? Foundation la karakwa. Oh, how come we be? Is a Cali foundation? You have your first take off. I not there for the foundation. Your custom to the do video for you. Hello, this is Gossip Foundation. He said, color. Oh, how I take off. I will guess where it can. I will guess it can. I will very ya. Remember, if you are married, I will feel like I'm ni rock I get wrong. Where are recruits? What recruits were now? Here, what recruits were now? Here. Oh, a video. If I make up a 4 mega ring. When it's on our format. That's why I have here the Kutego. I don't via WhatsApp. Now I am dwelling on my man. It's all right, man. They know they come for you. Now I am dwelling on my man with WhatsApp. So, my brother, Dion Osaige, the foundation is dead. Please make money from that your comfort zone. I beg. People when you go use say buy land for a Bejuleki, make sure say you go give them their property. If government collect their property, we must go yega. Quick money, quick prison. Sharp. We must go yega. Say now only contact. Don't worry, okay, thank you. I'll give my contact before I finish this broadcast. Only the boy there say it beg you. 200,000 naira land for a J beg you. After Dangote. Or take 300,000. Yeah, we are here. A government ya me out on you. Who ye gan? Have you go ya no Juana? Uya pa. All those Gucci, all those this thing. Uya pa. Let me remove this proxy. No, you are creator of it. Near moon and wa. Bye bye. Quick money, quick prison. Oh yeah, guy. Oh, back 10 years. Issue must know government will say they don't put document for that area. The one when most of it have a diaspora in you go to Nibuma, area magba, Ailala, Bonorota Mona ya welcome. Me alone, me had welcome. So please, my people, nobody should pity me, oh. Don't pity me. I'm a soldier. Don't pity me. I will not come online to play victim card. They victim me. They know I make a near governor. They oppress me. When you oppress him, hello, boss, double. It's a real life video. They call you back after the broadcast, yeah. I'll call you back immediately after the broadcast. I'll still round up. Where's it? And they feel me so. Nobody. During that election with Osagiri Nakwe, we are the one that was like, Ika, oh yeah, what can where? When if you want to go obey diaspora, Nakwe. Was I going to go to Imakwe? Now where about to Wakula Moya, among the Mamun and the Lobaseki. So after election, we had a conversation. And I thought we'll be or Daniel or Madam here. So don't blame me for what I'm doing. Yet though, please, people should not give up. So police is not my enemy. It's nothing personal, but I am not saying Managui. Yet though, 4 years, very few of us suffered in Lobaseki. I was not happy with Mokba Mobore. So that's why during the campaign, when I was like, many people like to Abu. Anything on all year. Anything on all year. Yeah, when Nagba to Von Fioto, Agbala la Moe. Amoero na ela lona. Empowerment area, not in February, everybody go see the wait. Not in February, you still wait. And the appointment made you. I'm not ready to make you go away. And there are. So, while we do, yes, please, for those that want to patronize us. Many people they call me, how about I have a man where we see your food. They want not swing the business. Hey, may I copy? You need to really that's why I hear talks like just like now I hear talk to you. They are never consistent. You flow. You berry. The same was I going to go the way say because of CFO. When I started real estate and they do all these things, was he not calling me to market some properties for him in Iguamo? He might see many to get some properties. Must you spoil my name to grow your business? My brother, please. The business of CFO is a huge business. It's a huge business. It's just to help people who are when say you don't even need to do too much. Madam, this is the official price. This is what you are giving to us. Or some will say, it's legitimate. It's legitimate. People they work with me too. So property, real estate business, and partnership business. Not be one person to get everything. So don't disturb yourself, my brother. We can still work together. Please, for those that have been trying to reach us, my office line is 090 6960 5382. 090 6960 5382. Now, if you want to call me, my private number is 090 5264 8007. 090 5264 8007. Our page is Eric Duke Properties Nigeria Limited.